This week I'm building the Leaderboard project, so last week I designed it and this week I'm trying to implement it. I will start the project with the layout, and later I will move the components to React components. It shouldn't take much longer because it will be like copy paste later to React components. It's Friday in the evening. This is how the app looks right now. I would say it's ready and ready to go when it comes for this iteration. The default tab is last 40 days, and the user can change the tab to all times, where the total amount of points is the priority. The list needs a moment to load. That's why I introduced the intro screen here with loading the leaders graphics. The app is built with Bootstrap, partially with Flexbox, and of course with React and Sass according to the requirements. I introduced a few changes regarding the previous design. They were usually about the position where something's stored or about the font sizes. For example, here, this Freecode Camp Leaders headline is much bigger than in the designs. And also when we talk about wider screens, in order to keep the visual hierarchy better, I also made the badges and the username bigger. The app is accessible from the keyboard, and you can access each FreeCodeCamp leader from here and go to your FreeCodeCamp profile. The previous apps that I did with React.js were either bigger, like GitHub Button, that was done with Webpack, or smaller. As a result, here I had to stop for a moment and rethink how to do it, how to implement it, what to start with, do I really need Webpack, and things like that. It was really problematic because for a moment I didn't know really what to do. And then I started copying and pasting from the previous apps and doing it step by step, checking if what I copied works. And it did. So that's how that's why I defeated this problem. This was really a problematic moment this week because I didn't know what to do for a moment and your motivation falls down. But when it started working, it rised up again. Next week I'm going to start a new app. It will be the recipe box. It is quite a big app, so probably it will take me longer than a week to do it if I want to really polish it. But I will start it. This week I also found very interesting resource about JavaScript, about vanilla JavaScript. I will share it also in the video description below. It's the series called JavaScript 30, which is about 30 tasks and 30 solutions to these tasks. And this is the challenge to build 30 new projects with vanilla JavaScript. All of them should be built with vanilla JavaScript, so no frameworks, and you have to deal with them on your own, just only with JS. That's why it can be pretty challenging and pretty fun. And I will really have to find time to look into it. So the project is done. You can see it as thewhowdoes/leaderboard. I will put the link in the video description below. Keep on doing and see you next week.